So now that we have our background about what the Big Bang Theory is, we want to take a little time and take our notes and condense them into our very first learning target. What does the Big Bang Theory state? So just a reminder, we're using our own notes and the activities we've practiced to summarize this in our own words, making sure that we use the key words that are given in our summary. So these are a must use as we go through, because we can't fully explain what the Big Bang Theory is if we don't use the words universe, billion, or expand. So we must use these in our summary. And here's the deal, this last one, expand, if you end up saying expanding or expanded, that's fine. Okay, but you definitely can't switch up like billion or universe. So just keep that in mind. You can change the tense of some of these, but some are kind of non-negotiable. So we want to think about big idea. What does the Big Bang Theory say? Well, we know it has to do with the beginning of the universe. And that's one of our key words. So the beginning of the universe. And then we want to give the details. We want more than just, it's the beginning of the universe. So we have a few clues here. We know we want to include a time frame. So put in our billion, how many billion years ago. And then we want to know what was it like then and what's it been doing with our clue here of expanding. So again, all of this is really coming from our explain, our notes that we've been taking. So we've got here, it's the beginning of the universe, as we know, based on evidence. And here is what that theory is stating. So this is really our focus as we work through and add stuff to our learning target. So we got a reminder, we heard the song about its hot, dense state, everything compacted into this single point. Here's our time frame that happened 14 billion years ago. It started expanding and is still doing that today. And it's really just the space that's expanding, not the objects themselves, right? The Earth or stars or galaxies aren't stretching out themselves, just the space in between. And we had our example over here of raisin bread to kind of confirm that. So there's our reminders. So again, we want to put those into our own words, being sure that we're including a lot of those big underlined ideas.